Want to make a super cute Valentine's Day gift in just 10 minutes? And yes, even if you are a complete beginner, you can totally do this. Today, I'm going to show you how to crochet this adorable heart-shaped coaster. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and perfect as a handmade Valentine's gift. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love easy and quick crochet projects, this one is perfect for you. This heart toaster rolls up in just 2 rounds, that's it. So grab your yarn, your hook, and let's start crocheting. For this project, we will need macrame yarn or medium weight cotton yarn and a 7mm hook. That's all. Let's get started. First, we are going to start a magic wing. If you are new to crochet, don't worry, I will show you slowly. Take your yarn and wrap it around the finger, forming an X. Insert your hook under the third string. Grab the second string and pull it through. Chain 1 to secure. And that's your magic wing. Now we are going to crochet everything into this ring. First, we are making 3 double crochet into the magic wing. How to make a double crochet? Yarn over, that means wrap your yarn over your hook once. Insert your hook into the center of the magic wing. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. Now you should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. That's complete 1 double crochet. Repeat that 2 more times into the wing. So you have a total of 3 double crochets. Make sure all stitches go into the center of the wing, lock into the chain. Now, here we have a total of 3 double crochets. We are going to make 3 half double crochets. How to make a half double crochet? First, yarn over once. Insert your hook into the magic ring, and then yarn over and pull up a loop. You will now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at the same time, and that's 1 half double crochet. Make 2 more half double crochet into the wing, so you have 3 half double crochet total. Next, chain 1. Just yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. This chain helps create the top curve of the heart. Now we repeat. Make 3 more half double crochet into the magic wing. Yarn over, insert into the wing, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all loops. Next, we make 3 double crochet into the wing. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This creates the second side of the heart. chain 1 again. Now, gently hold your stitches with one hand and pull the yarn tail with the other hand. You will see the center closing up. Pull until the hole disappears, and look at that, it already looks like the center of a heart. Now, we are going to finish the run with one slip stitch. How to slip stitch? Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull the yarn through the stitch, and the loop on your hook at the same time. That completes the run. Don't worry if your stitch count is slightly off the first time. The shape is more important than perfection. Now, we move on to round 2. This is where the heart shape really comes to life. First, chain 2. Skip the first stitch and start in the second stitch. Yarn over, make one double crochet. Then increase 2 double crochet in same stitch. Now in the same stitch, make 2 more double crochets. This is called an increase. We are adding extra stitches in one stitch to make the heart curve outward. Move to the next stitch. Make 2 double crochet in that stitch as well. See how the edge is starting to widen? That creates the top round part of the heart. In the next 3 stitches, make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. This smooths the curve down toward the bottom of the heart. Now, we are forming the bottom point of the heart. In the next stitch, work all of the following into the same stitch. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and chain 1. This combination creates that sharp little point at the bottom. Don't worry if it looks slightly tight, it's normal. Now, we are going up the other side of the heart. In the next stitches, 2 half double crochet, 1 in each stitch. You will see the heart shape becoming more obvious now. Increase again for the top curve. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochet again. These increases create the second round top of the heart. We're nearly finishing the one. Next, make 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, and chain 1. Now, we are ready to close. Slip stitch to finish. Insert your hook into the starting stitch, yarn over and pull through both loops to make a slip stitch, and that completes your heart closer. If your heart looks slightly uneven, that's completely normal. Crochet hearts have personality too. With practice, your stitches will become more even and defined. If you are a beginner, I just wanted to say, don't be afraid to try. Even if your first one isn't perfect, that's totally okay. Every stitch makes you better. Fasten off, cut the yarn, and weave in the end. And look how cute this is. Perfect for your coffee, tea, or as a sweet handmade Valentine's gift. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet, comment below if you are making this for someone special. Happy crocheting, and I will see you in the next video.